Hello everyone, this is the last lab, part 4, current affairs for 67th BPSC. Important questions that can come in BPSC exams. Now coming to the India and world related question. Now directly coming to the first question related to Indian Railway. So Union government target to electrify all railway lines of the country by December 2023. By December 2023 is the target year to electrify all railway lines of the country. All the railway lines will be electrified. Okay, this all comes under National Railway Plan 2030. Union government has launched a National Railway Plan 2030 to make Indian Railway future ready, especially freight services contribution to increase by 45%, up to 45% freight services. Main profitable section is freight section. Okay, recently in news, Kavach system, indigenously built Kavach system has implementation has been done in South Central Railway. Was a viral video of Rail Minister Ashwani Vaishnav directly supervising, okay, Kavach system implementation to stop the accident. Then long freight trains Trishul and Garuda successfully operated in this division. Okay, Trishul and Garuda has been also successfully operated in this division, Sikandrabad division, South Central Railway. And India's longest freight train is Vasuki. Then kind of private railway station, India's first private railway station or first PPP, private public partnership mode station is Habibganj station. Now name has been changed to Rani Kamlapati station. Rani Kamlapati station or Habibganj station near Bhopal is the India's first railway station under PPP mode, triple P mode, private public partnership, kind of private railway station. So Habibganj is the first private railway station. Then some related question to education. Stars project by Ministry of Education. Minister of Education is Dharmendra Pradhan. How many states covered? So 6 states had been covered under Stars project. Okay, Stars project will help in implementation of new education policy 2020. 6 states has been covered under Stars project, strengthening teaching and results for students. Okay, and this has been done with the collaboration of World Bank. 5718 crores project. Then question related to Jharkhand. Jharkhand has launched a Sama tribal religion code. This has been passed by Jharkhand. They say that tribes are not part of Hindu. We are a different religion and our code name is Sama tribal religion codes, and Jharkhand assembly has passed this code, Sama tribal religion code. Okay, Jharkhand. Hemant Soren is the chief minister right now, and his party Jharkhand Mukti Morcha became the first party to make their electoral bond donor name public. First Indian political party to make electoral bond donor name public. Very historic moment. And Jharkhand was separated from Bihar on 15th November 2000. Then tribals related, Ministry of Tribal collaboration with which company for better education? So they have collaborated with Microsoft for better education in Eklavya school. Microsoft will help them. And also there is a project, DG Saksham project, a joint digital skills initiative with Ministry of Labor. With the help of Microsoft, they will teach the students coding, analytics and everything. Microsoft, Satya Nadella. Then tribals related question, Devranya scheme for Ayurved promotion in MP. It will also provide job opportunity in Madhya Pradesh. Devranya scheme, Abhyaranya in Hindi means jungle. Devranya scheme. Then 6 new medical colleges in tribal area has been opened in Gujarat. 6 new medical colleges. Then some constitutional provision. Fifth schedule talks about administration and control of scheduled areas as well as of scheduled tribes areas residing in all the states except Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, and those 4 states covered under 6th schedule. These are related to schedules. 5th schedule and 6th schedules talk about tribals, tribe people and tribal areas. Okay. 6th schedule talks about administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Then National Commission for Scheduled Tribe is a constitutional body under Article 338A. 338 is NCSC, National Commission for Scheduled Caste, and NCST has been created a separate body after 89th Amendment 2003, and there has been an insertion of 338A, and it had made NCST a constitutional body, National Commission for Scheduled Tribe. Okay, 338A, remember this article number. 338 is in schedule, 5th schedule and 6th schedule. 5th schedule talks about all the tribes and tribal areas administration except Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, and Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram are covered under 6th schedule. Then Paralympics related question. First Indian table tennis player to win a Paralympic medal, very famous Bhavina Patel. Then medal tally of India in Paralympics game, already discussed, 586, 5 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze medal. Then a historic moment in Indian Army. First time there is a post of First Additional Director General Human Rights. First time this post has been created in Indian Army, and Gautam Chauhan has become the first Additional Director General. He will oversee that Human Rights Convention is properly implemented in Indian Army or not. Gautam Chauhan. Okay. Then Indian Army contract with which Indian startup to buy high altitude drones worth $20 million. So they have a contract with Indian startup Make in India Idea Forge, okay, to buy high altitude drones. And for drones in India, first drone forensic center in Kerala. In Kerala, there is going to be first drone forensic center, forensic test of drones. Okay, and Kerala is also the state topping Niti Aayog Sustainable Development Goal Index. Then first woman fighter pilot to participate in Republic Day fly past. First woman fighter pilot. Okay, so Bhavna Kant became the first woman fighter pilot to participate. She is from Darbhanga, that's why important. And she is one of the historic ladies. She is Bhavna Kant. She was one of the first 3 women fighter pilot, Bhavna Kant, Avni Chaturvedi and Mohana Singh. And Bhavna Kant participated in Republic Day fly past. Women fighter pilot. These 3 are the first women fighter pilot of India. Then already discussed Power Salute Initiative, a kind of defense salary package by which bank? Axis Bank has launched Power Salute Initiative. Then first Union Digital Budget in which year? Due to Corona, Nirmala Sitharaman ji launched Union Digital Budget in digital mode in 2021. 2021 budget was completely digital. Okay. And in Constitution there is no mention of budget. In Constitution it is called as annual financial statement, and it comes under Article 112. Article 112 talks about annual financial statement, commonly known as Union Budget. And first digital budget by which state? State presenting digital budget to Yogi Baba. Uttar Pradesh presented first digital budget of India. Okay, then most congested city of the world as per TomTom traffic index, mostly congestion and traffic problem. So in 2020, Moscow was the most congested city, and in 2021, Istanbul, Turkey capital. Then most populous city of the world is Tokyo. Most population living in a city, Tokyo. And most probably Delhi will supersede it by 2030. Delhi will become the most populous city by 2030. Right now it is Tokyo, Japan capital, Tokyo. Next question is, who recently resigned as Chief Economic Advisor of India? So KV Subramanian has resigned from his Chief Economic Advisor post, and he is going back to academics. And now after him, current CEA Dr. V. Ananth Nageswaran has become the new Chief Economic Advisor of India. He is Dr. V. Ananth Nageswaran. Okay, work of CEA, suggesting central government for economic policy, and most important thing is they create economic survey every year. Economic survey, and economic survey is presented by finance minister with union union budget. So main work is creating economic survey, and right now Chief Economic Advisor is V. Ananth Nageswaran. Very important. Then second country in the world to hoist its national flag on lunar surface. Lunar surface means on moon, hoisting their national flag. So first country was obviously America, and China has become the second country to hoist its flag on moon, China. And Wang Yaping became the first Chinese woman to walk in space, related to China. And also China is going to send a manned Mars mission by 2033, already discussed. Mars mission named Tiananmen, China. Then recently China has been recently declared malaria free by WHO. And in South China Sea there is Paracel Island. Why this is in news? Because China, Taiwan and Vietnam fight over Paracel Island. This comes under my territory. That's why it is very important to remember Paracel Island in South China Sea, very controversial. Then first country in the world to administer COVID vaccine on its citizen. So UK become the first country in the world to administer COVID vaccine on their citizen. And also in United Kingdom, England, G7 2021 happened. Boris Johnson is the prime minister over there. Here G7 2021 happened. Group of 7. Boris Johnson, okay, United Kingdom. And United Kingdom became the first country in the world to administer COVID vaccine on its citizen. Next question. These are very important question. G7 meet UK, G20 meet in Italy in 2021. Then corona related. Now coming to India. First Indian city to have 100% COVID vaccination in India. Bhubaneswar became the first Indian city to have 100% vaccination. And also in Bhubaneswar, first fire park for awareness purpose. Then a COVID warrior memorial in Bhubaneswar, all related to Bhubaneswar. Then first Indian village to have 100% COVID vaccination to Wayan in Bandipur district of Kashmir. Wayan, already discussed, became the first Indian village to have 100% COVID vaccination. And from Kashmir comes youngest female pilot of India, civil pilot, she is civil pilot. Youngest female pilot, Aisa Aziz, very famous on Instagram. Okay, Aisa Aziz, she is Aisa Aziz. Okay, youngest female pilot of India. And also in Kashmir, a Namda craft pilot project has been launched. Okay. Then Karnataka related. Karnataka CM is important. Basavaraj Bommai, discussed many times. And also Karnataka became the first state to implement new education policy 2020. New education policy was passed in parliament in July 2020 based on Kasturi Rangan committee report. And after that Karnataka became the first state to implement new education policy. And Karnataka is also the first state to give job reservation to transgender people. Then percentage of forest cover in Bihar as per ISFR 2021, discussed many times, 7.84%. Earlier it was 7.76%. Then state with highest urban population, all answers are Maharashtra. State with highest urban population, most of the population live in urban cities. Okay, Maharashtra. Uddhav Thackeray. In Maharashtra, 13th major port of India, Badwan major port is going to be built. In Maharashtra, maximum number of wildlife sanctuary. Then Vada Kolam, rice and white onion of Maharashtra has been given GI tag. Then Maharashtra is highest onion producing state. In Maharashtra, first solar powered textile park. Then Mission Vatsalya for COVID widows has been launched in Maharashtra. These all are discussed many times. Then Lohri hydroelectric project in on which river? So on Satluj river is going. The Lohri hydroelectric project is going to be built by SJVN company. Sujlon Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited is going to build Lohri hydroelectric project on Satluj river near Simla. Then Ratle hydroelectric project, always in news, on Chenab river. On Chenab river. Why? Because Indus river treaty equation. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Vyas, Satluj, 5 tributaries of Indus river. Jhelum, then Chenab, then Ravi, then Vyas, then Satluj. On Satluj, Lohri. On Chenab, Ratle hydroelectric project. Then Earth observation satellite launched from which state by ISRO? So it has been launched from Andhra Pradesh. Most of the satellite launch done from Andhra Pradesh. Sriharikota station, always remember, all the satellite launched from Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, no interview for state jobs. All interviews has been cancelled. Then in Andhra Pradesh has going to be first state to have 3 capitals. Okay, Jagan Mohan Reddy is the chief minister over there. In Andhra Pradesh, first national infrastructure, national investment and manufacturing zone has been built, already discussed. in Visakhapatnam of Andhra Pradesh, NASCOM Center for Excellence for Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence Center of Excellence in Visakhapatnam. And also in Visakhapatnam happened Sri Lanka India Navy exercise Linex 2021, already discussed. Then WTO, World Trade Organization Director General, right now he is Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala from Nigeria country. Okay, WTO headquarter is in Geneva. All the disputes between trade dispute between different country resolved by WTO headquarters Geneva, and right now Director General is Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Then other related famous ladies, Geeta Gopinath, very famous Indian economist, related to which organization? So she is related to IMF. Right now she is the second most powerful person of International Monetary Fund. IMF head is Kristalina Georgieva. After that, Geeta Gopinath is the most strongest person, DMD of IMF, International Monetary Fund. Then SEBI chairman, already discussed, Madhavi Puri Buch. Then SAIL chairman, Soma Mandal. Why these all four are important? Because these all four are ladies. So BPSC can ask this question. Then CEO of Ayushman Bharat. So Ram Sevak Sharma has become the CEO of Ayushman Bharat. Then next is International Solar Alliance related headquarter in Gurugram. International Solar Alliance CEO is Ajay Mathur, discussed many times. So 101st member to join Gurugram headquarter International Solar Alliance USA, and latest member is Antigua. Okay, then all these related to Madhya Pradesh, very important state. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, maximum number of leopard, Tendua and tiger in which state? So Madhya Pradesh. Also in Madhya Pradesh, maximum number of national park, night safari started in Madhya Pradesh. Then maximum number of scheduled tribe in Madhya Pradesh. Then population wise maximum number of tribals in Madhya Pradesh. Percentage wise Mizoram. Number wise Madhya Pradesh, always remember. Then Madhya Pradesh, from Madhya Pradesh, Orchha is a place near Gwalior. Orchha has been added in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, UNESCO World Heritage Site. UNESCO World Heritage list with Harappan times, Dholavira of Gujarat. These both are included in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Orchha is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Then in Madhya Pradesh there is a Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan for awareness, using the help of youth for awareness of corona. This program was launched in Madhya Pradesh. And also for Rasan, Mukhyamantri Rasan Aapke Dwar scheme, giving ration at your home. That scheme name was Mukhyamantri Rasan Aapke Dwar scheme. Okay, all related to Madhya Pradesh. Very important question all are. Okay, maximum number of leopard and tiger, maximum number of national park, night safari, then maximum number of scheduled tribe, then population wise. Okay, Orchha added, Orchha of Madhya Pradesh. Then coming to Bihar related, in December 2020, Koilwar Bridge inaugurated by whom and on which river? So Nitin Gadkari, that time he was Ministry of Shipping. He inaugurated Koilwar Bridge on Son River. It joins Ara with Patna. Koilwar Bridge, very important bridge on Son River. Then it joins Ara to Patna. Okay, and now it has been named after Ara born famous Bihari mathematician Vasisht Narayan Singh. Okay, then state winning Digital India Award under innovation in pandemic country. So Bihar won the prize for innovation in pandemic category. Why? Because with the help of digitization, India Nitish government gave the money to all the people stranded outside from Bihar in corona time. All the workers, all the students, they give the money digitally. Innovation in pandemic, Bihar. Then first state level virtual postage stamp exhibition named Digipax, already discussed. Then Bihar is the state with maximum percentage of women personnel. Okay, Bihar has the maximum percentage of women personnel in police. Then 33% reservation given in engineering and medical to girls. Then cycle girl Jyoti Paswan of Darbhanga made anti-tobacco brand ambassador. Then Bihar's longest serving CM of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has become longest serving CM of Bihar after defeating Dr. Sri Krishna Singh, first Chief Minister. Now Nitish Kumar has become the longest serving Chief Minister of Bihar. And how many times he has took the CM oath? So 7 times. 7 times he has took the oath of Chief Minister of Bihar. Okay, Nitish Kumar. That's why opposition calling Kursi Kumar. Okay. Then first non-Congress CM of Bihar was Mahamaya Prasad Sinha, and after Mahamaya Prasad Sinha, Satish Prasad Singh, who recently died due to corona, became the chief minister just for 5 days. Okay, first non-Congress CM was Mahamaya Prasad Sinha. After that came Satish Prasad Singh for 5 days. Then in Bihar, president rule has been applied 8 times. Then Supol city Supol has become the first garbage free city of Bihar, or in Supol district going to be built Bihar's largest Dagmara hydroelectric project on Kosi river. Then near Supol, Darbhanga commercial flight services started on November 2020. Approximate average passenger in a year, so 5 lakhs passenger used Darbhanga commercial flight services. Okay, then first fish feed mill and Gangetic Dolphin Research Center has been established in Patna. Okay, fish feed mill and Gangetic Dolphin Research Center in Patna. Then incentive announced by Transport Department for opening vehicle pollution testing center in all block. So Bihar government is going to give 3 lakhs incentive for opening vehicle pollution testing center in all block. Okay. Then next, Bihar person who has participated in Bihar Ironman 9 times. So Satyam Shankar Sahai. Ironman is a competition, the triathlon competition Ironman, made famous in India by Milind Soman. Okay, so Satyam Shankar Sahai has become Ironman 9 times, and he is from Bhagalpur. Another one famous person from Bhagalpur, Satyam Misra. His name also is Satyam Shankar Sahai, Satyam Misra. Both from Bihar. He is Ironman and he is a teacher. Satyam Misra, he teaches at Mount SSC School, very famous school, Mount SSC School of Bhagalpur, and he has been selected in top 50 global teacher. Okay, Bihar teacher in top 50 global teacher award. So Satyam Misra of Bhagalpur. Then some Asutosh Aman, already discussed, who had broken the record of Bishan Singh Medi, bowler. He is a bowler from Gaya district. Then batsman Sakibul Ghani, 300 on his debut, batsman from East Champaran district. Then Anamika writer, Tokri mein Devant Meri Katha, Muzaffarpur. Then bicycle girl Jyoti Paswan, Darbhanga. Then as per Niti Aayog report, beds available per 1 lakhs people in district hospital. So very bad condition, only 6 bed for 1 lakhs people in district hospital. And Bihar has created a target year of 2030. 2030 is the target year to eliminate AIDS from Bihar. Elimination target year is 2030. Then Shekhpura district. Shekhpura is also the least populated district of Bihar. Highest population is in Patna and lowest population is in Shekhpura. And Shekhpura, according to one Niti Aayog report, Shekhpura is the most dwarfism prone district of Bihar. Dwarfism means person with small height, dwarf people. Okay, Shekhpura district, least populated district, and it is also dwarfism prone. Then Bihar rank in mushroom production. So Bihar rank in India is 3rd rank. Why this question is important? Because in previous year it has been asked Bihar rank in jute production. So Bihar rank in jute production was 2nd after West Bengal, and Bihar rank in mushroom production is 3rd rank. Remember this. They can ask this question in BPSC exam. Okay, that's all. Download the content used for easy access at my Telegram ID RaviCaf902. We will meet in next video. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.